You guys hear it coming down outside? This is like the best experience when you're living in a van, an RV, or a trailer. You hear all that rain just hitting the roof. There's nothing like a good shower on a tin roof. It's hard not to fall asleep to. Just listen to the sounds. That's amazing, man. You get into a house and you're insulated from all that, and it's just raining outside, and everybody's trying to escape the rain. But when you're in a situation like this, it surrounds you, and it's just beautiful sounding. This is something that will just serenade you to sleep. Take a listen. That's all, man. It's pretty cool. Good night, y'all.